How to remove age restriction on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down to the content and activity section, and from there click on content preferences. Then click on restricted mode. As you can see, the age restriction is turned on, so click on the red button to turn off. And here TikTok will ask you to enter your passcode that you used once you enable this feature. So go ahead, and once you have entered your passcode, click on next. And the restricted mode has been turned off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the age restriction on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.